everybody. Today we are going to be making an apple dessert. All we need is some cinnamon rolls, some heavy whipping cream, some brown sugar, and butter. I've got the oven preheating to 350 degrees. So how y'all doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. It's your girl Kietha T coming back to you with another video. I hope you all are enjoying my channel so far. So let's get started. So the first thing, pour some heavy cream to the bottom of the baking pan. Okay, you coat the bottom of the pan with the heavy cream. We're supposed to cut these into fours. Like so. Like so. And then we just lay them down in here. I don't want to bore you all, so I'm going to give these cut. You cut them into fours. And then you're going to layer them in the pan or your baking dish. See what this is going to look like if we're going to. If you're new, this is your girl Kietha T. Today we're experimenting with this apple dessert. If you're enjoying the content, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe and become a part of your girl's family. So we're going to go ahead and place those in. Let's fill up those empty spots, y'all. Okay, y'all, that's what the bottom is looking like thus far, okay? Now, 1 can of apple pie filling. Y'all, I gotta wash the top of my can off. That's the first thing I gotta do. Because you know, these cans are stored at a warehouse and I don't trust it. All right, so now let's put the apples right on top. I'm just gonna spread these babies out like so. What I do next, I'm gonna go in with our brown sugar. Brown sugar going on top, guys. Okay, let's see. Let's spread this out. Maybe just a little bit more. Miss Joanne, if you see this video, I told you I was going to experiment this weekend, girl. I'm gonna let you know. One more. Last step is put the butter on top. So y'all know I don't like to do real butter too much because your girl be having stomach issues. But I'm gonna put a little bit. You see what I did? I cut them in half. I'm just gonna do a very little. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my, I can't believe it's butter. Because I don't want to be curled up later. All right, y'all see that? Now let's go in with a little bit of this. Because I don't know how much butter I'm supposed to use, so we're just gonna do a little bit. And I know to my buddy that said the real butter is better. It is better, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's actually better for us. Unfortunately, it hurts me, so I have to find alternatives. And I find that this one is not too bad when I'm doing my cooking recipes. All right, y'all, so that's what we have. This is what it's looking like. Now we're just gonna put her in the oven for about 30 minutes. That's the final result. I just drizzled the white icing on, and there you have her.